How to do a boomerang on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Snapchat application on your device. So let's go and search for the Snapchat application. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, in order to do a boomerang on Snapchat, what you have to do is you need to click at least a 1-second video over here. So I'm just going to click on a video over here. Now after clicking on the video, what you have to do is mute the sound over here. This is the option. So just mute the sound, and to create a boomerang effect, what you have to do is tap on this icon at the very bottom of the menu bar, and you'll be given the option of tap for more. So just keep on tapping. Tap once again and you can see the option of loop. So it will keep on repeating this video and it will give a boomerang effect. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.